I finally managed to find some Wadsworth lifts, and it's lift tour time. Now to the first old Wadsworth lift, which is complete, original and single speed. Let's ride it. Now to the next old Wadsworth lift, which is also complete, original and single speed. Let's ride it. Now to the next old Wadsworth lift, which is complete, original and single speed. Let's ride it. And the next old Wadsworth lift has had a horrible variable frequency mod. Varying the frequency does not suit this old lift. I hate it. So many old lifts have had variable frequency mods. It's so out of character. It's like some stupid lift engineer says to the owner, "Oh, I've got this mod that I can do. It'll make your lift nice and smooth when it starts and stops." Isn't that nice? No, it's not, because it ruins the character of the old lift and it takes longer to get to your floor because it spends too long starting and stopping. These lifts are perfectly fine being single speed and they don't need to be smoothed. This is a classic example of what not to do if you own an old lift. Just compare this lift to the others and how much time it wastes. Also, it no longer starts instantly when you press the button like the others anymore. This is a message to any building owners that have kept their old lifts. It is great that you've kept your old lift because they're an ignored and forgotten part for UK's heritage, and as well as them being very heritage to look at, please don't forget about their heritage workings and keep those original as well. Please don't variable frequency mod your old lift.